Good morning. I'm Rosa, and today we're visiting a cozy coffee shop in New York. Let's learn some real English together. Wow, this place smells amazing. I can already smell fresh coffee. Let's check the menu. There are so many drinks to choose from. First, I'll wait in line. In America, customers usually order at the counter.
Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, I'd like a medium caramel latte, please.
Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like whipped cream on that?
Yes, that sounds great.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I'd like a blueberry muffin, please.
Your total comes to $8.75.
Here you go.
Perfect. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you. Look at that. The barista is making my latte. It smells wonderful already.
Medium caramel latte for Rosa?
That's me. Thank you. Now, let's find a nice place to sit and enjoy my coffee. This caramel latte is smooth, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Let's try the blueberry muffin. It's soft, fresh, and full of flavor. Here's a useful phrase. Can I get a refill? You'll hear it in many coffee shops. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'd like a medium caramel latte, please. That was one of the best lattes I've ever had. The coffee was rich, smooth, and perfectly balanced. Before I leave, I'll throw away my trash and keep the cafe clean. Thanks. Have a great day.
You too. See you next time.
Now I'm back outside. New York is such an exciting city. Today we learned latte, muffin, barista, refill, medium, and pickup counter. Let's practice one more time. Say it with me. I'd like a medium caramel latte, please. Here's a quick tip. In many American coffee shops, the barista will call your name when your drink is ready.
Coffee for David!
You'll also hear people say, "Can I get a latte?" It's a very common and natural way to order in the US. Let's practice together. Listen first. Medium caramel latte. Now you try. Quick quiz. If the barista asks, hot or iced, what would you say? Great. You could say, hot please, or I'd like it iced, please. Today, you learned how to order coffee like a native English speaker. Now it's your turn. Write your coffee order in the comments using English. Next time, we're checking into a hotel in New York and learning useful hotel English. Thanks for learning English with me today. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Everyday English with Rosa. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. I'll see you in the next adventure. Until then, take care and goodbye.